Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a milk art experiment. So to do this one at home yourselves, you're going to need a bowl, some milk, different colour food colourings, some washing up liquid, cotton buds, and I have a little dropper, but if you just don't have one of those handy, then a teaspoon, just something so you can do some little drops of the food colouring. So the first thing you need to do is pour the milk into a bowl and try to do it quite slowly because you don't want the milk to still be sloshing around, so want it quite nice and still. And then take different colour food colourings and do little drops. Make a cool pattern. So what's happened is that there are fatty connections that are linked in the milk, and the food colouring is it's a less dense liquid, it's less viscous than the milk, so it's sitting on top of the fat in the milk. So there's chemical detergents in washing up liquid that's designed to break down the fat bonds. So if you take your cotton bud, then if you do some drops of the washing up liquid, and because you've added the colours on top of the milk, you can see where the fat molecules are being separated, and this makes all the colours move.